Hello everyone, my name is Faheem and you're watching Technical Faheem YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn about that how we can add transitions in our videos. So this video is going to be very interesting. I recommend all of you watch this video till at end. So if you are a new visitor on our channel, subscribe, press on the bell icon, share this video to your family members and friends. If you have any question related to this video, you can ask me in the comment section. So now let's start the video. So when you open the InShot application, click on the videos and select a video where you can add transitions. So click on the video. You can see here we can pick a one video and let's play the video that there is no any effect add in the video. So now for adding the transitions in the video, now divide this video into many parts and now split. Click on the video and click on the split. Again click on the video and split. Click again and split this video. Okay, now you can see here is some options. When we click on that, you can see there is a lot of effects that we can add in our videos. So let's try one by one and see after applying these transitions in our videos how our video looks like. So first of all we have to be add this one. Okay, and add again, and add some more effects on the other parts. Click on the OK, and now play the video and see what changings applies in our videos. First, second transitions, apply the third one, click on OK, and if you want to edit the duration, you can also increase or decrease their duration from this one, and again we have to increase its duration one by one, and again play the video. So now you can see their duration is increased. So you can also use many more transitions in your videos. There is no limit. If you have 20 plus parts of the video, then you can easily use any transitions in your video, so there is no limit. So let's again, I told you I undo all the transitions and now I repeat all the procedure again. So this is the procedure. If you have some clips of your vlog or any videos, so you don't need to be separate your video. So if you have a complete video and you want to enter transitions in your videos, so you have to be separate the parts, and then you have to click on these icons. You can see between the clips there is a white section. You can click on that and you can add these transitions. Okay, and you can also there increase their duration, and again you can add as you want. Okay, and add on the fourth one. Okay, so now play the video. So now you can see here all the effects are applies. So this is the procedure how you can add transitions in your videos. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you enjoy this video, share this video to your family members and friends. See you in next video.